This is exactly what we traded this week, why we took the trade, and how it turned out. The purpose behind these videos is to show you how to create a consistent income through trading. My friends, I've been there. I've been in a dead-end job that I hated, knowing that I can make money in trading, but never being able to actually be consistent in my trading enough to be able to quit my job. Now, everything changed about a decade ago when I discovered this style of trading that I'm gonna show you right now. It's helped me and thousands of others bring in consistent income every single week in trading. And so let's dive in, and I'm going to show you exactly what we did this week. Again, the goal is to make $800 a month in my community. If I can help people make an extra $800 a month, it changes lives. You can scale this to do more, but again, the goal is let's make $200 a week inside the community, $800 a month, and change your life to get you on the right foot so you can start seeing how this works, get some consistent results, and start changing your life. So how do we do this? We do this through credit spreads. The biggest issue that people have in their trading is that they have to be perfect. You have to call tops and bottoms. You have to call reversals. You have to be able to see momentum. You have to be perfect in order to make money. And that's extremely hard to do week in, week out. With credit spreads, you no longer have to be perfect. You're putting probabilities in play. We win as long as it stays above this line. This is what we sold this week. So we sold the 67.35 on the SPX here, bull put spread. On Monday right here, we got into this bull put spread because we had a nice gap up, the trend was bullish, and it made sense for us to go sideways to bullish. If it would have gone down, that's fine. We have a huge cushion that this thing can fall and we'll still win. And that's why this style of trading was such a game changer for me when I first started out nearly 10 years ago, and has been for thousands of others, is because you no longer have to be perfect. You can let the markets do whatever they're going to do. Mathematically, we have a 90% chance that the stock will not get down to this spread. And so we have a 90% chance that we are going to win. And this is the key to be able to bring in consistent income. And so because we had this bullish edge here on Monday, we went ahead and sold a spread way out here. And this spread paid us around $400. I want to make enough money so that when I spend money to get out of it, I'm going to walk out the door with $200 in my pocket. And so that's exactly what we did here. So here's the journal here walking you through the trade that we took this week. So here is our spread here, selling the 67.35, buying the 67.25. The expiration, we got paid $55 a contract. And then we walked out the door and spent $20 a contract to get out of it, keeping the difference as a profit. And so we ended up making $210 this week to be able to keep us on track for our $800 a month goal. So here's me inside the community on Monday, January 5th, telling everyone about the trade of what we're doing, getting filled, and then the rest of the community getting filled. You also get an email from me as soon as I do something, walking you through exactly, hey, I'm getting into this, this is why I'm doing this, and then management throughout the entire trade. So how did we manage this trade? Well, we got filled here on this gap up on Monday morning. And the very next day, it ran up on this bull trade. That's all we needed for the value to drop out of these options enough for us to be able to spend a couple $100 to get out of that trade. So remember, we got paid $400. Then we spent a couple $100 to get out of it and walked out the door with $210 exactly in profit. Once you learn this style of trading, it's going to completely change everything for you in your trading because you no longer have to be perfect. You can do what the big money's doing out in Wall Street. We are selling options down here to be able to make a consistent income so that you can finally start to see, okay, I don't have to be a day trader to be a full-time trader. I can simply sell these options every single week, replace my income, replace my salary every Friday, and be able to have the dream life that I want. Friends, if you would like to learn this strategy, I give it away 100% for free. I want to help you on this journey. I want to help you be able to quit your job and see how easy trading can be and stop making it so hard by day trading and doing everything else where you have to be perfect. Again, links are down below. It's completely free. Go make money. If you would like to take some of that money that you're making and reinvest it and come trade alongside with me every single week, the link is down below to be able to do that. You have a 30-day free trial to come watch my screen every single week. Let me show you in person live what I'm doing, trade this alongside you, hold your hand all week long so that you can understand this system, start making money, and finally have that financial freedom that you're after. Thanks for your time, my friends. I will see you next week.